Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Anaconda installer. Now this Anaconda installer is been used to perform the programming of numerical method in a Python. So we are going to use a spider platform for performing the program of numerical method. So go to Google and type Anaconda installer. The first site will come dos.anaconda.com. Click on it, installing on Windows. Please click on it. Then you will find the first step only in a note, download Anaconda installer. Click on that Anaconda and download the Anaconda installer. So the download option will appear in front of you. Say enter. It will ask you which operating system you are using. Either you are using Windows, Mac or Linux. So as per that you have to select the version. As per that you have to select the Python. So I'm selecting 64-bit graphical installer of 457 MB. Wait for a while. On the left hand side a download will appear. So it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to download this file as per your internet speed. Wait for a while, it is going to be download in a very quickest way. Till then I will share one more online platform on which you can do a programming of a Python, of numerical method in a Python. So go to Google and type Python compiler. So online Python compiler, the first site will appear. So programmiz.com is the site. So where you can see left hand side you have a editor window and right hand side you have a console window, and there is already one program has been written, that is of hello world. So if you say run, on the right hand side you will have the output of it. If you want to clear this program, previous program, and if you want to type a new program, so you can type a equal to 10, b equal to 23 and c equal to a plus b print c. It is a simple program of an addition, and if I say enter, I am expecting the value of c. Yes, so I have got a value of c as 33. So this online compiler you can also use it for the online programming. Those students who don't have a laptop or a desktop, they can use this platform to perform the programs of numerical method. The only drawback of this online platform is it doesn't have a variable browser, so you cannot see the variable in it. You can see the input as well as output, but you will never see the variable in it. Let's go back to the downloads. Yes, the file has been downloaded. Copy this file to the respective folder. So I have installed it already, so it is going to ask me whether you want to go again. So I'm going to click. It is already installed in this laptop, so let us check whether it is going to take the setup again. Yes, so run. Say next. I agree, just me. okay, 3.1 I will say, Anaconda 3.1, and I will say register, I will say install. Okay, so this is how install, and it will take several minutes to get installed in the laptop. So what you are going to have after this window, you are going to have a finish and launch Anaconda installer. So this is how you need to install this Anaconda installer on your laptop. Thank you all for watching the video.